Hey y'all, I hope you are having a fabulous day, have had a fabulous day whenever you're watching this. I hope it's been great. But listen, let's talk about word of mouth marketing. So I'm not sure if you know, but word of mouth marketing is still one of the most powerful ways that you can get free advertising for your product or service or your business. You should be looking to make sure you're doing really great things so that people want to talk about it, because that's how I upgraded to this iPhone 12 Pro Max. You know, a friend was talking about how he loved the phone. He had just upgraded. He let me play around with the camera for a second, and I absolutely fell in love, and I went upgraded the next day. So I'm telling y'all, word of mouth marketing is so powerful. You have got to utilize that free resource that you have if you're marketing a product or service. I'm telling you, it will help you grow your business.